Hello, IT. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Once again, this is me coming to you with a great news from AWS. AWS CloudUp for Her is a free program that prepares women for the AWS Solution Architect certification. Not only that, it also provides 50% off from the exam vouchers. And the news that I would like to share with you all is AWS CloudUp for Her is open for additional signups. It's very new. They just released it 3 days ago, and the additional sign up opportunity is available only till 1st of March. So if you identify as a woman and if you are enthusiastic about AWS, I would urge you to go ahead, click on the register now, enroll yourself to the program, attend the webinars, and get your exam vouchers. Go ahead, get certified, and have a fantabulous career in IT. Until we see next, have a great day and a great year ahead. Bye for now.